This is a puffball mushroom. I've been taking the skin off, and you can see how lovely and white it is. This was actually where it was attached to the ground, and I just cut that part out. And you can see it sort of looks like a soccer ball. I got this out of the woods yesterday, and this is the end of October in Indiana, which is fairly unusual for puffball mushrooms because they are normally active and growing at the end of August, early September. But we've had a warm streak, and I found about 15, and I have been processing them over the last 2 days. This is my stack right now that I'm ready to put in the dehydrator. The mushroom is so easy to use, and it's quite delicious. You can see the skin just peels right off. So you can just take the skin off, and then afterwards slice it with a knife. I'm using a fairly large knife, fillet knife, so that I can get slices like this, which I will dry and then put in baggies for later use. And you can see this is a dried mushroom. It was probably about a ½ inch thick when it started, and this is ready for use for whatever I'm going to use it for. I like to use these in making pizzas as the crust. They bake very nicely. This is a very large puffball mushroom, and I haven't processed it. You can see this is where it was attached to the ground. I like to find the big ones, but a smaller one is actually usually better. So this one's still good, but it may have some places I need to cut out. It's probably about 10 inches, 12 inches. And this is my discarded skin, which I will put in my compost pile. And I will come over to my stove, where I have just partially baked some of the sliced mushrooms, and I will be making pizza with fresh venison, cheese, tomato sauce, and some veggies. This is lovely.